deep learning. The major point of inflection came in 2017 when Google released their famous Attention is All You Need research paper. The paper introduced a new network architecture called the transformer. Transformers were revolutionary in the fields of natural language processing, NLP, because this new network architecture was based solely on attention mechanisms, which allowed the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence when producing an output. Moreover, transformers did not use recurrence or convolutions, which are two different types of neural networks used in deep learning, which allows these transformer models superior in quality, as well as really fast to train. After the introduction to transformers, innovations under AI skyrocketed. Companies and enterprises belonging to various industries started adopting AI in their workflow and enterprise, with each of them showing a significant boost in revenue. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images with 90% accuracy, aiding in early disease detection. A 2023 article in Innovation in Pharmacy showed that AI algorithms could potentially condense a typical 4 or 5-year exploratory research into a time span of less than a year. Furthermore, in 2023, a team at MIT developed a new model called Complex that could predict whether potential drug molecules will interact with specific protein targets without having to physically conduct tests in the lab. In the field of automobiles, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are essential components to achieve the ambitious self-driving cars of the future. Self-driving cars use sensors to gather data from their surroundings, and AI algorithms interpret this data and make calculated decisions. Waymo Robotaxi, a fully driverless taxi created by parent company Alphabet, is already taking passengers in downtown Phoenix. In the domain of security too, AI can be helpful. AI can analyze large amounts of data, network logs, user behavior, and past malware records to identify potential malicious behavior by any system. VentureBeat predicts that AI will boost cybersecurity in 2023 and beyond in many ways, from behavioral analytics to endpoint and patch management. A CNBC report suggests that organizations can leverage the latest AI-based tools to better detect threats and protect their systems and data resources. The trend of relying and using AI in modern enterprise is expected to grow continuously, even intensify in the future. According to an article by McKinsey, artificial intelligence will be involved in more than 90% of the interactions between brands and customers, either directly or indirectly. The downfalls of applied AI. Even though the revolutionary field of artificial intelligence is presently promising, and it will continue to be promising in the future as well, it has its inherent flaws that shouldn't be overlooked. Two of the most challenging issues that these superintelligent machines face are hallucination and algorithmic bias. Hallucination is when AI apps, such as ChatGPT, create their own facts that are not based on reality. This can lead to misinformation, confusion, and even deception, especially when the AI-generated content is not clearly labeled or verified. Algorithmic bias, on the other hand, refers to the unfair or discriminatory outcomes that an AI system generated due to existing human biases present in the training data. For example, facial recognition systems that fail to recognize people of color, or hiring algorithms that favor male candidates over female ones. How AI works, a brief overview. AI is not truly intelligent, but rather imitates human intelligence. This is because AI learns from a specific data set, and its knowledge is bounded by the data that it is exposed to during its training. They do not possess any intelligence of their own. Therefore, AI does not have reasoning abilities, it cannot distinguish between right and wrong, true and false, or biased and unbiased facts. For a machine, all information, regardless of its quality, is simply data from the viewpoint of AI. This leads to another problem of AI: it can make biased conclusions. This depends largely on the quality of the data that is used to train the AI system. If the data is skewed or incomplete, or if the algorithm that runs the AI system has some errors, it could lead to unwanted outcomes. These undesirable outputs can have serious implications for enterprises that rely on large-scale data. For example, CNET, a well-known news outlet, experimented with AI to produce web articles for its website. However, to their disappointment, the news outlet found errors in more than half of its AI-written stories. This undesirable outcome is the result of bad AI deployment and insufficient consideration towards the risks associated with AI. Therefore, it is essential for organizations to exercise caution when integrating AI into one's organization or workflow. Predict with confidence with AI Prof. As artificial intelligence, AI, becomes more prevalent and influential in the modern world, it is crucial to address its limitations and challenges. To leverage the full potential of AI, one needs to comprehend how the AI model operates and plan the optimal way to integrate it into the organization, resulting in enhanced efficiency. This is where AI Prof can assist you. AI Prof is a leading company in the AI domain that enables you to discover the endless opportunities that AI provides. We are a group of skilled experts with a wealth of knowledge and experience in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. We not only know how to build machine learning models, but also how to detect and prevent their vulnerabilities and biases that can lead to erroneous or harmful outcomes. We excel at creating state-of-the-art solutions as minimum viable products for enterprises and academic institutions to lower the entry barrier using cutting-edge AI/ML solutions and expedite time to market. Interested in making your revolutionary products services using AI? Contact us, aprof.ai. Don't let your critical and essential AI/ML workloads be at mercy of naive assumptions. Together, let's secure and safeguard your innovation efficiencies to establish a robust and sustainable growth trajectory.